Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to write step by step how to find the equivalent polynomial for b equals to 1/3 without calculator. To solve this exercise, I'm going to use the formula for binomial square, the distributive property, and the rules of exponents for power of a product with 3 factors, product of 2 powers, and power of a power. To solve this exercise, I'm going to first simplify and then substitute b with 1/3. For the first term of this expression, I need to use the distributive property and open parentheses. When I do that, this equals to 9b to the 4th power y to the 20th power plus 18b to the 5th power y. For the next term, I need to apply the formula for binomial square. And when I do that, I get in square parentheses, because the negative signs will apply to all terms that we get after we apply the formula. So this equals to 3b squared y to the 10th power in parentheses squared plus 2 times 3b squared y to the 10th power multiplied by b cubed plus b cubed in parentheses squared, and then I need to close the square parenthesis. For the next term, I need to apply again the distributive property and open parentheses. This way I get b to the 6th power plus 6 times b to the 5th power y to the 10th power. This equals to 9b to the 4th, y to the 20th. I'm simply going to rewrite these two terms because I can't simplify them further. And then I have 3 squared, or 9b to the 4th power, y to the 20th power. And I have a negative sign with the plus sign for the next term. So it is going to be minus 2 times 3, 6. b to the 5th power, y to the 10th power. Again, I have a negative sign with a plus sign. Next is going to be minus b to the 6th power. And then I just simply need to rewrite the remaining two terms because I can't simplify them further. And there b to the 6th power plus 6b to the 5th power, y to the 10th power. As a last step here, I need to add like or similar terms that have the same literal parts. Now, those terms are the 9b to the 4th y to the 20th power, as well as negative 9b to the 4th y to the 20th power. So these two terms are the same with opposite signs. So their sum gives 0, it equals to 0. Therefore, they cancel out. The same way, then the term negative 6b to the 5th power and y to the 10th and plus 6b to the 5th power and y to the 10th, these two terms also cancel out. And lastly, negative b to the 6th and b to the 6th also cancel out because their sum gives 0. So the only term that has left is 18b to the 5th power y. Now I can simplify it further, and I can now substitute b with 1/3. So when I do that, I get 18 in parentheses 1/3 to the 5th power equals to y. And when I simplify further, this equals to 18 over 3 to the 5th power y. Now, to calculate this better, I'm going to factor 18 and write it as 2 times 3 squared, or 2 times 9, 18, 2 times 3 squared. And 3 to the power of 5, I'm going to write it as 3 cubed multiplied by 3 squared. This way I can then cancel out 3 squared and calculate the rest easier. This way I get 2 over 3 cubed is 27 multiplied by y. I can't simplify this further, therefore this is the final answer for this exercise. Thank you for watching and learning. If you liked what you saw, please give this video a thumbs up by clicking the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on the videos displayed on the screen or subscribe to my channel to see more detailed math solutions.